Let's give them a round of applause, everyone. Thank you. Okay, let's stand right in the center, right here. Okay, young man, you here. Young lady, let's start with you. All right, turn around with the audience. I need you to hold on to the stick. Stretch your hand up high. Okay, and I'm gonna place a piece of wood. Okay, let me find something bigger. All right, and we're gonna watch a bird that is gonna fly down and snatch this piece of wood. Are you ready, young lady? Okay, great. Then if you're ready, and everyone else, let's welcome Rado! He's making his way, and whoa, that was so close! Alright, not to worry, not to worry. Okay, let's try this. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, young lady, this is gonna be how? Right, not to worry. Okay. Okay, you know what, young lady? You stand right here. It's your turn now. Let's hope he does it better. Alright, get ready. Stretch your hand up high, young lady. Watch your head, and wow! Did you get that? No? Alright, not to worry. Anyway, he did a good job as the two of you. How about we give them a round of applause, everyone? Thank you for being out here. Thank you. Alright, now brownie kites are known to be able to snatch fruit from any surfaces. And not only that, they are able to catch in mid-air. And with that, let's welcome our team of brownie kites! Woo! Now I will be doing a few more throws, and it's going to be 10. And it's going to be a variable of highs and lows. But I need everyone's help for this. I need everyone to count along with me each time they catch the piece of food. Is that alright?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Alright. Okay, let's start right now. 1. Okay, that was fast. 2. 3. Pretty good so far.
Whoa.
Alright. There's one flying really up high. Let me try to get her attention. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 6. Wow, that was close. Alright. So, 6 or 4 more to go. Come on. Come on, guys.
Wow.
Alright. Not to worry, let's try again.
Oh.
7. 8. Alright. 9.
Wow.
Okay, last throw. Okay, the one sitting right at the back. Here she comes, and can she catch that?
Wow.
That's a perfect 10 out of 10. Okay, now I need one more volunteer.